The Police Minister says he can't rule out cuts being made to his department in what's expected to be a tough state budget handed down on Thursday. Michael Wright says all departments will feel some pain.
Despite an expected tough budget, the government's been able to wrestle some money for sport.
The government will be putting in an additional $28.5 million for sporting infrastructure.
$5 million will go towards a sports facility in Port Augusta and $3 million towards a redevelopment of the Campbelltown Leisure Centre. But the project needs federal funding. An existing community sports grants program will also get an extra $5 million a year over 4 years.
If they've got Michael Wright out on a Saturday spinning $5 million a year as a great budget announcement, you know the budget's going to have a lot of bad news in it.
With hundreds of millions of dollars in cuts required to be found across government, the opposition claims the Department of Trade and Economic Development could be one of the hardest hit. The government isn't confirming any details before Thursday's budget.
All departments are going to have to receive some of the pain.
And that includes the Minister's own police department. While 300 extra officers will be funded, the agency is expected to have to find savings in day-to-day operations.
I'm not verifying that there will be cuts or that there won't be cuts.
The areas that are going to get the big hits as far as public service numbers are the bigger agencies, education, health.
A parliamentary inquiry has heard the savings target for health was put as high as $450 million. The department says it could only cope with cuts less than a quarter of that before services would suffer. Angelique Johnson, ABC News, Adelaide.